Okay, I think I got through to the bottom of the van. This is my piping system right now, and my sink smells like shit all the time, so I'm gonna add a vent. I have two assistants with me today, Mochi and Charlie. We're pretty cramped in here, wouldn't you say, Mochi? Oh, we love gross, dirty, gray water hoses. So the setup I have right now is I put this tea on this pipe that goes to my gray water tank at the bottom of my van, and I broke it off to this other pipe that flows down to this new hole that I just drilled, and that is going to go to my vent.
Nothing's all you need. When you're stripped of all your armor, you can finally feel the breeze. We're living in the moment. We ain't got pockets full of money, but we're rich in other things. This highway is our living room. We're swimming in the mystery. Sipping on sunshine, we wanna taste of this world as it offers.
Did you just find a piece of dust?
Shot a piece of wood.
It's working. Yeah.
I don't mind rain or shine.
Alright, so over here I am planning to get a big 30-gallon water jug. I ordered this water jug the other day whenever I shifted my batteries around and I realized I was going to have this empty space and didn't know how to utilize it. And I've always felt that some extra water would be really useful. So I'm going to have 30 gallons total now, which is so perfect and is going to last a really long time. But in order for the water jug to fit and to optimize this space, I'm gonna have to move everything over. So I went ahead and I moved this diesel heater over, and this is where I'm gonna permanently mount it. Right now, this is just a temporary thing. And then, if you can see in here, those are my batteries, and above it is this big drawer that I can access from inside above the bed, but the water jug is too tall, so I am gonna have to cut into that, but I don't have the water jug right now, so I can't really measure it, so I'm just gonna do what I know I have to, which is move it all this over, and then I'm gonna wait until the water jug comes.
Go to people's parties time to time. Yeah, I've got a feeling I'll be fine with you in my life. You in my life. You in my life.
So this is the 30-gallon jug, and I just put in that piping, which is the air vent, so that the pressure doesn't build up. So that air vent goes to the bottom of my van just in case any water comes out. And these are my batteries. Usually I have this box that goes over this whole thing, but because the water jug took up some of that space, I am gonna have to cut this box down.
Yeah, I've got a feeling I'll be fine. Yeah, I've got a feeling I'll be fine with you in my life. You in my life. You in my life.
So this is the 30-gallon water jug I got. The piping on the top left is the filler. That's where I put water into the jug. The bottom left is the air vent, and the top right is the water pump, and it also tees off to the drain valve. So here I'm hooking up both the piping to the air vent and also the drain valve. The air vent is just a pipe that goes out to the bottom of my van and allows for a release of pressure. Whenever I close the valve and I'm sucking water through the sink, it's gonna build up pressure in there. So having that air valve helps with that. The drain valve is just a valve in the back of the van that I can turn if I ever just want to drain out the water jug without using my water pump to pump it all out. The other thing I did once I finished installing the 30-gallon water jug is get a thin piece of plywood and put it underneath the back part of the jug, because it was a little uneven. It was on uneven ground because there's this black trim on the back. So I just wanted to make sure it was even. And then after that, I cut down that box that went above the water jug because the water jug interfered with some of that. I literally just took the entire box and cut down all the edges on it. And then I measured that last side, cut wood to size, used wood glue, put that all around, and then screwed it in. And it's honestly good because that drawer was really heavy with where it was, so I just made that box shorter so that I could fit the water tank. So there it is. I also have these little things to prevent it from sliding.
This road, it takes me home where skies are blue. I walk this road because I know it leads to you.
see how the chickies are doing today. Hi, babies. They are getting so big so fast. These are the old chickens. These are the younger chickens, and those are the babies that are only a few weeks old. I try to respect their space because they don't really like it, but I'm going to try to get a little closer. If you get too close, the mama chickies will try to attack. Mochi, come here. The sun is setting and we have Mochi. Hi Mochi, I want to go check on the chickies. I'm gonna go check on the chickies. I've been coming out and seeing them every once in a while. There are two hens that have had these little chickies and they're kind of protective over them, but I just keep my distance. They've gotten so much bigger. I came in here the other day. Oh my God. Look at that one. They used to be so small. Oh my gosh! One of them fell. Oh my God. They are frantic. Oh, that chickie flew down. Now this chickie wants to go down too. I got this package in the mail and it has a little letter. Sarah, thank you for being a beautiful light in our virtual lives. to a wonderful new year. A little gift so you don't need to buy aluminum foil. With gratitude, Marissa. So I talked about in one of my videos how I love fire roasted veggies and I use aluminum foil, or I really want to use aluminum foil for aluminum veggies. So this is so sweet. Oh, I know what this is. It's like you can cook on top of a fire. It's a bonfire grill. This is perfect. I would actually totally use this. This is actually crazy because I was looking online for one of these and I was thinking about buying one, but I decided not to because I don't know, I didn't want to like spend money on it. So that is such a coincidence and so nice. So let's see how this goes. I assume this is over a bonfire. We have something like this. We have a small one. Okay, that probably goes on top. I'm gonna have to look this up and see how to use it, but thank you so much, Marissa. This is so sweet and such a thoughtful and functional gift that I will actually use and bring in the van. So I really appreciate this. I think it's probably like this. There's something with that. But also this. Okay, so it's like that probably. Or what if it was like this? Maybe it's like that. And it's like that. Oh, that seems probable.